So today I just wanted to do a quick video on my 2002 Camaro SS. I just wanted to show the quarter-mile times from when the car was stock. Now, I don't have any videos on that, but I do have the draggy times. When I first bought the Camaro, it was completely stock except for an SLP lid and the little air scoop that comes with it. I can't remember what it's called now. And when we get into the video part of it, that's after I've already installed the cam and the headers and I think the dual exhaust. But we'll just go through where I started and where the car is now. And ultimately, I'm hoping to get the car to run a high 11. And once I do, I'll probably start modifying other things. Like I like to have a different set of wheels and stuff like that. But anyway, this is the progression of the Camaro. Okay guys, so here's a couple runs when the car was pretty well stocked. No drag radials or anything. One of them was 1398. That had quite a bit of wheel spin. And the other one was a 1367. When you don't have drag radials or traction, the best thing to look at is the mile per hour. And bone stock, the car was about 102 miles per hour in the quarter mile, which is kind of on the slow side for these cars, I believe. Okay, so this run here is after I installed the BTR Stage 1 cam, long tube headers, and the dual exhaust, but I still didn't have any drag radials. Okay, so this run here is after I finally got a set of drag radials for the car. This run is after I installed the underdrive pulley. Okay, so this run here is after I installed the gears, which I've had a bunch of trouble with. Now you'll see that the quarter mile time doesn't go down, but the mile per hour actually did come up a little bit. Anyway guys, that's where we are with Camaro, and hopefully we'll make some progress this coming summer. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.